Hello guys, we are live with the new version of the Retouching Toolkit and it's 3.1.3. It's preparation for the color wheels, so it has some new features that you won't be able to see, but there's also some improvement and bug fixes. So let me show you them real quick. So if you go to your account page, you can now download the new versions. It's live already. So it's 3.1.3. So once you do that, you get zip files, you unzip them and you run the installation. And then you get the new configurator. Make sure it says 3.1.3 in the top. So it's basically 3 new things that you will notice and a couple of things behind the hood. So first thing you will see is all the colors that I teased about. It's now live and this test panel that I have has all the colors. Some of the old panels have shifted a little bit in color, so you might want to go in and tweak. The other new thing is for people with small screens, it was a pain to get to the outline. So we did so the properties can collapse like this. We also added a new format that I think Stefan talked about a little bit. Instead of zip files, which caused a bit of issues on Mac because they extracted, we created a new extension that's called RTZ. So it's still a zip file. It's just a distinction that it's an add-on file. So if you're creating your own add-ons, just create it as a zip file and then rename it as RTZ. So import from file. And you no longer have to go here and change things. It has the JSON and RTZ as default. So if you have downloaded one of the new add-ons, we are renaming all the new add-ons to this new format. And then you just select it and open and it will install it, same as you've seen before. And that's it for this short little video. We'll go through the color wheels real shortly. It's just a couple of small issues, or I wouldn't call it issues, usability tweaks that we want to do. So it pops up nicely in the add-ons, and because it's no longer like 1 to 9, it's once you install it, you get an extra panel here. You can customize it as all the other add-ons. There's parameters to it, and you can add buttons, and it also comes with a couple of scripts. So I'll show this real shortly. But for now, enjoy this new version of the toolkit, and I hope you like it. Have a nice day.